Howdy ho everybody, Mr. Wonderful here. Right, this is an Italian 500 lira coin. And this is very similar to that coin I did the other day from Turkey. So I'm going to knock this bit out. So that can go in there like that. I get my little dome bullet type thing. I'm going to knock that out. Like so. Of course, this will be another short video because there's no big Bertha involved. Oh, sorry darling, you're not needed today. No, you're not loved today. Right. Let's clean out that edge. So it's a bit sad in there, that's where it grips onto the centre part. So you're going to cut that out. There you go. Pretty sexy. Right, let's give it some love with Bernie. There should be a light here somewhere. I've got about 250 lighters around here somewhere. It's Old Faithful. Hey, it's got a name, Old Faithful. I remember years ago when I was doing the ships when we was working in Italy. We was working in Monfalcone, working for this Irish company called My Van Marine, and I was doing the bars and casinos, doing electrics, you know, stuff like that. And this Irish company used to give you like so much a day for food and stuff like that, and it worked out to about a million. It was like millionaires. A millionaire was 400, about £400 then. I don't know what it is now, but here is millionaires. Bit of useless information for you, isn't it? But there you go. Yeah, it's going to have to be this side, and it's sunny side up. So we can go over to one of these again. Too big. That should do the job. Get it level-ish. That should do the job. We go over to Big Red. Right. And then we want to there you go. It's got a bit of a wobble on it, that has, hasn't it? Let's warm it up again. Yeah, let's see, there he is. Old Faithful again. Right, that should do. It's still a bit warm. Right, let's take it over to Big Red again. One of these plates. This is a hard plastic. I'm going to give it a bit of the old one too. That's better. He's a clever boy then. Right. Bit of the old kitchen roll. And there he is, the one and only Spike. This is a ring stretcher. And yes, he does. Right, how's that looking? Yeah, that's pretty sexy. Right. Now we can go to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dies. And yep, same again. We're looking for one of these that does the business on it. Make sure it's level. Make sure it's square. Yep. There you go. Nice and level. So, I think it needs a bit more. There you go. Right, let's break out the one and only Kate. I've got my kiln on again, you can probably hear that clicking away in the background. More lassie. Glass in finish is called lassie. It's got a nice little design on it, hasn't it? Right, let's break out Kate. I mean, I like this look. This is the Edwin look. But we'll break out Felton John. Polish him up a bit. Show it some love. Yeah, his Dremel's getting faster and slower. All by itself. I think the brush is on the way out. Right. Let's give it a wipe over. Another narrow banded ring. I quite like them. There's not many rings I've made that I don't like, really. There's a few, you know. that many. Especially the sort of coins I've never ever seen before, and I didn't think existed, you know, until I started doing this game. You realise just how some of the designs and thought went into them. It's a shame now, like, you know, the bloody euro. All the countries have lost their identity, I think, you know. Sweden still kept the their money in England, but Finland had some lovely coins, and now it's a bloody euro. There you go. 500 Lira. Still got the text on the inside. Nice looking ring. Right, what size have we got? We've got a size. I won't be able to make this much smaller. Probably a little bit, but not much. This is a 10 and a half. I think that Turkish one was similar. I can make it bigger though. Fits that finger perfectly. Thank you all so much for watching and following me, and, you know, giving me your support. I really appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, and yeah, I think that's about all I've got to say, really, except have a lovely day, and be good, and I'll see you all tomorrow. So bye bye.